Okay guys, we're back out on the bank. This weather's been a bit of a pain. I was actually out last week. I'll put some footage on now. It took me I did it for 3 different venues. The wind was really strong. I started off trying for a sand smelt in the first venue, but it was too choppy. And I went to another venue, again too choppy, and ended up on Amlech breakwater. Never fished on there before. Yeah, it was the wind was crazy. It was coming from behind me, so I was fishing on the inside, but the wind was really bad. I couldn't use my tripod. It was getting blown over. Everything I took out of my bag I had to hold, getting rigs out and stuff. It was really hard work, so I couldn't really do any filming, unfortunately. But I did have loads of bites from the off. I'd caught a load of power tin, a reasonable sized pollock, and a new one, my 63rd species of the year, a porcod. So yeah, got that checked out by the experts, and it is a porcod. So yeah, number 63 of the year, so I was absolutely buzzing. And on the same cast as that, we had a lobster. That's my second ever lobster. And then I think I had a couple more lobsters because I was getting good bites, and then you'd feel the weight, and as soon as they come near the surface, they just drop in it like, and there was no head shaking. So I think I was hooking a few lobsters that day. Another little pout in. As you can hear, the wind is horrendous. Any bites, it's getting back. But yeah, the weather conditions just made it really, really hard work. But yeah, a good venue that I'll definitely be back to. So anyway, today we've just come out for a couple of hours, and it's a club water, hence why the comments are switched off. So left hand float here, I've just got a roach, and the right hand float, which has moved quite a bit with the wind. I'm just adjusting the depth. I think this one here is sitting on the bottom. This one clearly is not quite sitting on the bottom, it's just drifted over a bit. Small little rainbow trout on this one, and a roach on that. So yeah, so the winds are crazy. I would have been down the coast now for the sea species hunt, but it's gusting at 95 kilometers today, so yeah, that's not happening. But tomorrow I'm going back down there. The wind's dropping off, and yeah, we'll carry on. But for now, we're here. Like I said, 2 dead baits out. Let's see what we can get. Okay guys, looks like we've got a take on the left hand rod. Yeah. Oh, fish on. You just see that float bobbing. Don't think it's a big fish, but it's a fish. Getting that net. Get in. He's been hard work on the bank, this one. It's a bit bigger than I thought. Not going to weigh him, but yeah, cracking fish. Lovely colours. He's had a couple of minutes in the net, so he is a bit lively. Settling down now. Them colours, stunning fish. Well happy with that one. Let's get him back. So guys, yeah, happy with that. Nice to get a fish. It was just a bit of an opportunity session really with these high winds that we were having. I wasn't going to be going down the coast, which is what I wanted to do for the species hunt, but hopefully, yeah, like I said, tomorrow, so fingers crossed we can stick another. But as I said in this video, I'm on 63 now, so I'm absolutely yeah, chuffed to bits with that. As ever guys, if you don't see me again, the rods are still out. It's starting to go, it looks dead bright on the camera, but it's actually going dark. So if you don't see me again, it means I haven't had any more. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you'll join me in the next one. Thanks a lot. Tight lines. Cheers guys. Bye now.